Yeah, Chris here from Chris Profits. Thanks so much for checking out this product review. I'm going to give you an honest opinion on whether it's a good investment for you. Just quickly though, before we get started, if you'd like to work with my own internet marketing coaches, Trevor, Fergal and Max of the 100k Alliance, the guys who basically helped me build my online business from zero all the way up to 10k per month, then check that out from the first link in the description for this video. It is super affordable, but most importantly for me, the guys really want you to succeed and they will help you every step of the way. Now, back to the product review. You can grab the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I'm going to give you over $1,000 worth of bonuses. So bonus one is the List Prodigy course, which helps you get traffic on tap to all of your offers. Then the next bonus is AI Prodigy for how to build a monetized faceless YouTube channel for building passive income that way. Bonus 3 is 150,000 stock images, so you always have the right image for your sites and your products. Bonus 4 is the high ticket sales secrets course, because that's where the real money is. And bonus 5 is the 6-figure business owner masterclass, a full course on how to build your internet marketing business from the ground up. Anyway, thank you for your patience listening to all that. Let's jump in to the product review to see if it's worth the money. So in a second, I'm going to jump in and have a look at what the free traffic mastery product is going to do for us. But first, let's just hear from the guy, Fergal, who built the product.
Hey there, what's up guys? It's Fergal Downes here and I want to welcome you to Free Traffic Mastery. Now, when it comes to internet marketing, a lot of people, most people struggle with getting traffic. They think of doing maybe Facebook ads, Google ads, or some type of ads when they're trying to get traffic. But the problem with paid traffic is that, first of all, the ads, especially Facebook and Google ads, the price of those ads is astronomical. It's almost impossible to get a return on investment with Facebook or Google ads, especially when you're starting off. You have to spend thousands of dollars in trial and error and testing before maybe you get a successful campaign. So that is exactly why we've created Free Traffic Mastery. For the past year, we've been working on a free traffic system that is bringing us in a boatload of traffic, almost on complete autopilot. And then that traffic converts into sales and conversions very, very easily. Super highly targeted traffic that's going to be able to flood your offers, blogs, and sites with very, very targeted traffic. So guys, if you're struggling with traffic and you want to become a full-time internet marketer, then this free traffic system, the Free Traffic Mastery method, is the method to give you unlimited traffic, unlimited sales, and unlimited conversions. So go ahead and click the link below this video right now, and I will personally see you inside the members area in just a moment.
So let's have a look at Free Traffic Mastery, the ultimate no-selling system where you can bank $1,000 plus daily in commissions. How can we bank that much? Obviously, it's because it's going to be teaching you how to get high ticket sales without paid ads, without having to be on camera, and without an email list. The product itself is designed to be perfect for beginners, very quick to set up within 5 minutes. As I said, no selling involved. So the product is going to teach you how to get traffic to your high ticket offers. When you buy the product, you'll get the over-the-shoulder training specifically built for first-time earners. No need for you to be on camera if you're not comfortable with that. 100% free traffic. You don't need to pay any money for ads or hidden paywalls. You don't need experience or tech skills. And really, the product itself is set up to be the perfect side hustle for beginners to get traffic. Traffic is what we all struggle with. We find great offers, but we just can't get traffic. Free Traffic Mastery will show you the way. So obviously on the sales page, the guy is not going to tell you how to get traffic because he wants you to buy the product, which is fairly normal. But what we do know is that the Free Traffic Mastery method involves you getting a finder's fee. You're the middleman or woman, obviously, for people looking for things to buy online. So with 268 million online shoppers in the United States alone, we know that there's a lot of people looking to buy stuff online. This Free Traffic Mastery method just involves us getting in between those people and the thing they're about to buy to get a slice of the pie. If you get the product $12.97 and don't like it, don't think it's for you, there's a 30-day money back guarantee. So really, it's a no-brainer for me. I recommend picking up Free Traffic Mastery. I really hope that's helped you come to a decision on this one. Remember, If you choose to go ahead and grab it, you will get those 5 bonuses worth over $1,000 if you click on the second link in the description of this video. And also, just finally, remember, if you would like to work with my own internet marketing coaches over at the 100K Alliance to get all the help, support, motivation, and information that you need basically to build your online income up to 10K per month, then check out the first link in the description to check that out. But I'll chat to you soon, mate. Take care.